cheese omelette recipe, quick and cheesy breakfast. If you're looking for a simple yet delicious breakfast, this cheese omelette is the perfect choice. Soft, fluffy eggs filled with gooey melted mozzarella and a hint of herbs and spices. It's a quick meal that tastes like comfort food. Ingredients: 3 eggs, half a cup shredded mozzarella cheese, 3 tablespoons milk, 1½ tablespoons oil or butter, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, salt to taste, a pinch of chili flakes, optional for spice, Italian herbs for garnish. Method: prepare the eggs. In a bowl, crack the eggs, add milk, salt, and black pepper. Whisk until smooth and slightly frothy. Heat the pan. Place a non-stick pan on medium heat. Add oil or butter and let it heat up. Cook the omelette base. Pour in the egg mixture. Let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes without stirring until the edges begin to set. Add the cheese. Sprinkle shredded mozzarella evenly over 1/2 of the omelette. Add chili flakes for a spicy kick. Fold and finish. Carefully fold the omelette in half and cook until the cheese melts and the eggs are cooked through. Flip gently if needed. Serve hot. Slide onto a plate, sprinkle with Italian herbs, and enjoy your cheesy omelette while it's warm and melty. Tips and variations: add chopped veggies like bell peppers, mushrooms, or spinach for extra flavor. Use cheddar, Parmesan, or a cheese mix for a different cheesy twist. For a creamier omelette, replace milk with a splash of cream.